Well, I started 3 years ago on the Blumenthal case, on the Blumenthal election. We're uncovering a lot of misconduct, folks, so I'm not sure if you can stomach it all, but look at this case on the screen, if you don't mind. Epstein Victims Fund must hand over Maxwell accusers' claims. Here we go. This is an one-of-a-kind case. There's no other case like this in history. U.S. Judge Allison Nathan rejected requests by fund administrators, by federal prosecutors to squash subpoena for records of Maxwell lawyers. Folks, here we go. Ghislaine Maxwell, 59, recruited and groomed 4 underage girls for financier Epstein to abuse from 1994 to 2004. Epstein died by suicide in 2019. This is a one-of-the-kind case that must be followed. Must be followed. Look at the picture. I'll tell you why. I have a person telling me that Epstein is alive. Epstein is singing like a bird. I believe that because they couldn't leave him to be suicided. So there's a federal lawsuit with no cameras allowed going after Ghislaine Maxwell criminally, who's accessory to murders, I think it's murder, and the financier who funded child pornography, rape, and escort service, connected to a lot of political figures, is supposedly alive. So, if Epstein is singing like a bird, and the judge can't use the evidence because they're falsely maintaining that he committed suicide, this would be the first federal court case where they knowingly falsified the death of the primary racketeer to indict other racketeers, including her. So there's a false premise here in this court case, which really makes it one of a kind, because under RICO, when you go after everyone involved in the case and claim the witness is dead while he's giving testimony and he's alive, I don't think that has ever occurred. So that's 3 minutes, folks. That's my shortest post of all time. If Epstein's alive, like, for example, Elvis being alive, which I'm told he is, by the same person, and I have pictures, why don't I attach them? They're on my phone. My phone's not connected to this computer because I don't want information stolen. Anyway, thank you, Connecticut. We're working on a lot of different topics. We have 2 events. We have 2 court cases on Monday we need to go to. We can't be in 2 places at once. And we have 2 events on Tuesday night where we can't be in 2 places at once. So, stay tuned. Thanks.